So everything you hear from this point on, guys, is going to record on the AR-100. I'll show you what it sounds like in the pocket. So this is the AR-100, just sitting in my pocket. It's normal talking volume, as you would be if you were having a conversation. I'm now just going to hand the AR-100 off to my cameraman and do a couple of little step backs so you can see how well it performs at different ranges. So this is this is at about 3 meters, and then this is at about 5 meters, and this is about 6 meters. So you can see there with the LawMate AR-100 that at different ranges it's going to vary. Ideally it's going to be used for an up close and personal sort of situation, but it will perform in most areas quite well, and as you can hear from the pocket, you still pick up quite a bit of audio from there as well. Thanks for joining us, guys. Like I said, grab it now on the website. It's the AR-100 by LawMate at thespystore.com.au. If you have any questions or issues with it, shoot us an email or give us a call. And if you need any other help with it, just write in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for joining us, guys, and have a great weekend.